Have you ever looked up and noticed? Sometimes the moon is big and round, and sometimes it looks like a banana. Why does the moon keep changing its shape? We've got three important friends. The sun gives light. The Earth is our home, and the moon orbits around it. Lighting explained. The moon doesn't make its own light, it shines because it reflects sunlight. Phases overview. As the moon moves around Earth, we see different parts of the lit-up side. That's why its shape changes. New moon. When the moon is between Earth and the sun, the bright side faces away from us. That's called a new moon. We can barely see it. Growing to full moon. Each night, we see more light. We call it a waxing moon. When we see the whole bright side, it's a full moon. Shrinking again. After the full moon, the light starts to shrink. That's a waning moon. Then it becomes a new moon again. Quick summary. So you see, the moon changes shape because it moves around Earth, and sunlight hits it at different angles. Question for you. What shape is the moon tonight where you are? Crescent, full, or half? Tell Dr. Meow Meow in the comments. See you next time for more awesome science adventures with Dr. Meow Meow.